In this video, we'll be talking about what stock we traded today, what are the profit me and my clients were able to book today. I'll be showing you with the profit screenshot, and also I'll be telling you how you guys can make constant. Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be talking about what stock we traded today, what are the profit me and my clients were able to book today. I'll be showing you with the profit screenshot, and also I'll be telling you how you guys can make constant profit like us. Okay, so to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money constantly in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So a lot of the people got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you'll be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. And also if you're new to our market, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn constant profit. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof if you guys wish to make constant profit like this. And if you guys wish to stop your losses from today, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you'll be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day, and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. You can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be teaching you a very good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and also as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about today's trade. Today we traded on Tata Motors, and here is the first screenshot of profit. 8,510 rupees profit, 1,270 rupees profit, 2,100 rupees profit, 5,404 rupees profit, 1,085 rupees profit, and 3,930 rupees profit. So these are the profit what we're able to book today in today's trade of Tata Motors. So if you guys wish to make constant profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, I'll be guiding you guys how you can make constant profit like this. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to make constant profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.